Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we will show you how to remove a domain from your Shopify store. Whether we are switching to a new domain or simply no longer need one, removing it keeps our store settings clean and organized. From the Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. You can find Settings in the lower left corner. Once we are there, click on Domains. From here, select the domain we want to remove. A small menu will appear. Then, click Delete Domain. We will be asked to confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the domain will be removed from our store. And that is how we remove a domain from our Shopify store. Keeping our domains up to date helps avoid any unwanted conflicts in our store settings.